We live in a society where manipulation is everywhere. अगर आप स्कूल में जाओ, they will ask you to spend lots of money in the name of education. अगर आप हॉस्पिटल में जाओ और सैलून में, they will sell you the best services they have. अगर आप फैमिली पर्सन के पास जाओ, they will manipulate you so that you pursue your own passion and listen to their words. And अगर आप अपने पार्टनर के पास भी जाओ, they will manipulate you to make you do whatever they want. And this is sad. This is really sad. Manipulation is everywhere. So in this video I'm going to talk about 5 or 6 kind of manipulative people you will see in this whole world, so that you can save yourself. तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Type 1. They undermine your faith, your grasp in reality. They are skilled liars and they insist something happened when it didn't happen, and they insist you to believe in they did something or said something when they didn't. That means इस कैटेगरी में जो लोग आते हैं वो आपको बिलीव करवाना चाहते हैं कि वो कुछ काम किया है और कुछ बोले हैं जो एक्चुअल में वो नहीं बोलते और वो काम वो नहीं करते. एंड सेम एज अगर वो कुछ गलत काम किया होगा, वो आपको ये बिलीव कराएगा कि वो काम उसने नहीं किया है. अगर वो काम उसने किया भी है, इट इज ऑल बाय फोर्स्ड. Someone forced him or her to do this work. They kind of make you believe that they didn't. They are often use line is, please trust me, I am not kind of person you are thinking. And 2, they will blame you. Seriously, they will blame you and will say, why don't you always trust me? Why don't you have any trust in me and faith in me? And 3, they will become a motivational speaker and they will say, remember, when there is no trust, there is nothing. Seriously, they will say this like this, and you will be totally like, oh my god, what I am doing, maybe I am wrong. And they will shut your all senses and gut feelings down and make you believe that maybe he is right. And second type of manipulator, their action won't match their words. They will always tell you whatever you want to hear, but you will always find out that whatever they are saying, they do not mean it. Okay, they will say how lucky they are to have you in their life, but instantly they will make you feel that you are a burden in their life. That means इस टाइप में जो लोग होते हैं वो आपको हमेशा ये बोलते हैं कि आप उसके लाइफ में और उनके लाइफ में बहुत मायने रखते हो. You are most important in their life, but as well as को बहुत घटिया फील कराते हैं, आपको बहुत नीचा दिखाते हैं. They are often used lines of, I can't make you happy. Whenever you will doubt them, they will say, I do so much things for you, but still you do not appreciate me. Third lines, whatever I am saying it for your own good, man. Please try to understand. Third type of manipulator, they always claim the role for the victim. No matter what happens, they always the victims are. When it comes to an emotional manipulator, nothing is ever their fault. No matter what they do or fails to do, it always someone else's fault, and most probably and many times it's your fault. It means दुनिया में जो भी होता है गलत, सब कुछ इनके साथ ही होता है. जो भी जितनी भी बैड लक्स है सब इनके साथ ही होता है. जहाँ पर भी जो भी बैड सिचुएशन रहा होगा, सब कुछ इनके साथ ही रहा होगा. इनका जो एटीट्यूड होता है सब ये ऐसे होते हैं. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ इमोशनल मैनिपुलेटर जस्ट वांट टू टेक योर इमोशनल सपोर्ट्स ऑल द टाइम, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू विल फील दैट बेचारी इसको तो कुछ नहीं आता एंड सपोर्ट करनी चाहिए, मुझे सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. एंड फ्यू डेज बैक यू विल फील दैट ओ माय गॉड, he or she is just manipulating me. Oh my god. If you get mad at them, they behaves like it's your fault keeping unnecessary expectation, and if they mad at you, it's your fault not really helping them or upsetting them. They are often use lines, your expectation is too high, man. I give you everything, but still it's not enough. You will never understand that it's my hard time, and you are behaving like this. You are never going to support me. Number 4 or fourth type of manipulator, they are too much too soon. Whenever you meet with this kind of manipulator, you will feel, oh my god, they are so jolly, so easy to go, so fun, so enjoying, and they will share their deep dark secrets in few hours after you meet, and you will feel so good, and eventually you will tell your own secrets and they will pinch you later or afterwards after knowing your weakness. So just take some time before opening up with anyone. It is really good. And this kind of manipulators I personally gets really trapped with many times. Bad luck. It means ये जो manipulator और manipulative person है, ये बहुत जॉली होते हैं नेचर में, बहुत फन लविंग होते हैं, बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, एंड उनकी और उनका जो सीक्रेट होते हैं वो बहुत जल्दी आपको शेयर कर देते हैं. उनका जो फ्यूचर प्लान है सब कुछ आपके साथ शेयर कर देते हैं, एंड यू विल फील, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो वो औरत है और आदमी है और फ्रेंड है जिसका मेरा तलाश था. मैं तो इनको ही सब जगह ढूंढ रही थी और अचानक मुझे ये मिल गया. अब ये मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो सकता है, मेरा पार्टनर हो सकता है, इनके साथ मैं कुछ भी शेयर कर सकती हूँ. बट डोंट, दे आर जस्ट गोइंग टू, आई डोंट नो इट इज राइट वर्ड और नॉट, बट दे आर जस्ट गोइंग टू फिनिश यू इन योर लाइफ इन फ्यूचर. सो टेक योर टाइम, थोड़ा टाइम लीजिए. आपका जो सीक्रेट्स है, वल्नरेबिलिटी है और जो भी आपके अंदर है वो शेयर करने से पहले जो अपोजिट पर्सन है उनको बहुत अच्छे से पहचानिए. ओके. फिफ्थ काइंड ऑफ मैनिपुलेटर, दे आर ऑलवेज वन अप टू यू. Whenever you share your own problems, your vulnerability or your maybe sadness with this kind of manipulators, they will always shut you down saying that, oh my god, this is nothing, you know what happened with me, I have suffered this or that, or I have gone through this and still I am here today. And they will never ever listen to your words, solve your problems, and you will end up thinking that I am weak, that I am sharing my problems. That means जब भी आप आपकी own problem किसी के साथ शेयर करने जाओगी और वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम तो सुनेगा ही नहीं, एंड उसके ऊपर उसका जो प्रॉब्लम है वो बताएगा और बताएगी, एंड इसके बाद आपको ये रियलाइज होगा और फीलिंग्स होगा दैट आई एम वेरी वीक, मैं बहुत वीक हूँ और इसके लिए छोटा प्रॉब्लम मुझे बॉदर करिए. बट ट्रस्ट मी, योर प्रॉब्लम्स मैटर, एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु डू नॉट लिसन टू योर वर्ड्स एंड गिव योर सॉल्यूशंस and shattered you and shut you down. Do not share your own problems and just know them, they are manipulators. And sixth kind of manipulators, they know all your bottoms, and this point is just an extended part of number 4, and that number 4 was they are too much too soon. So whenever you share too much, they know all your weakness, and then it comes this point number 6, they know all your weakness and they always use your weakness against you. It means whenever you are in problem, or maybe you have a presentation next day and they know that you are not very good in speaking in English like me, and they will frighten you saying that they requires English. Without English they will not be able to give this presentation and they will going to fail. If they know that you have issues with your skin tone or height or weight, they will always tell you that this dress is not going to really fit you, you need to take this diet. But one problem, the problem ये है कि इससे आपको क्या होगा, you will feel extremely underconfident and you will become one day. So if you find someone in your life whom you know that this person is constantly trying to put you down or finding bads in you, not goods, then just leave that person, because she or he is a manipulator. Be it your family member or any friend or anyone around you, maybe in a beauty shop who is constantly saying you that your skin is so bad, you need this or that. Please don't do in that beauty shop, buy online. There no one is going to say you anything. Okay. And now it comes that extra tips. So what are the extra tips? Extra tips ये है कि as I already said that the world is full of manipulative people and we human are social animal. So if we really try to leave every person, every manipulator, eventually we will leave everyone in our life, because everyone has kind of manipulative side. Okay, I have manipulative side, you have manipulative side, everyone has manipulative side, and this is the truth. So what we can do, we can grow up as an individual, very different and strong person, and that individual will have a very neutral thinking in their future life and whole life, so that any manipulator cannot bother this person, and anyone's thinking or opinion will never bother this person. And this is how you will catch up or match up with everyone without get bothered by their manipulation. And that one line and one word I would just want to highlight here, that is, you have to think very, very, very neutrally. So start to think very neutrally from today, and you will say tata to manipulator but hi to every person in your entire life. Okay, तो ये था आज का वीडियो. आई डोंट नो इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो और नॉट. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. जो आप नहीं करते बट ठीक है, जो भी सब्सक्राइब किया हो मेरे चैनल को, थैंक्स अ लॉट, बिकॉज यू आर थिंकिंग दैट आई एम कैपेबल ऑफ योर सब्सक्रिप्शन. सो या, एंड comment down below because I love it, and please share your experiences with manipulative people around you. And if you get one person in your life identified by this video who is manipulative, then I am going to be very happy, because yeah, इस वीडियो का मकसद ही वो है कि आपको पहचाना कि ये मैनिपुलेटिव है. ओके, तो ओके, आज के लिए इतना ही. एवरीवन स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे वेरी 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 पॉजिटिव. बाय बाय.